Most homeowners don't realize that window performance depends not only on the window itself, but also how well it's installed. Hi, my name is Steve, and I've been installing windows, siding, doors in the Chicagoland area since 1998. HomeBuild has been recognized by many window brands and awarded with many badges as premier contractor due to our quality installation techniques and in-home install teams. We believe that when homeowners invest in their homes, they deserve quality workmanship and a company they can trust. At HomeBuild, we treat every project as we were working on our own home. Our goal is simple: deliver great results, stand behind our work, and make the entire process as easy as possible for our homeowners and customers. If you're planning a window and door siding or even a roofing project, our team would be happy to help you explore your options. Thank you for taking time to learn about HomeBuild and giving us the chance to design your investment. We are excited to earn your trust, and I'm even more excited to meeting you at the final measure.